Use a 4mm hex wrench to remove the two small bolts behind the tail light to access your seat's nuts. The red circles show the approximate location of all 5 seat nuts to be removed. Use your 10mm Ariel Rider seat tool to remove all 5 nuts. Using a wire cutters, you can remove any of the zip ties under the seat that are holding the controller cover in place, to make accessing the seat nuts easier. Put the extended saddle in place. Use a 5mm hex wrench to screw in the 5 M6 bolts with washers into the new extended saddle. Once the saddle is secure, replace any zip ties you may have clipped earlier. Finally, replace the 2 bolts from behind the tail light.
For any additional questions, contact us at arielrider.com.